Welcome to ArangeWave. Today I'm going to be copying over my master chain. So you can do this with any stock plugins in Ableton, and I'll show you how to do it now. So I have these stems that I've all bounced out, and I'm actually going to bring into a master session. So I'm going to copy this master chain just by selecting them all, right click, and then copy. Bah. And then I'm going to open up a brand new session, new live set. And I want to bring the exact same master chain in here. So I don't need these. Right on the main channel, boom, paste, there's my master session. Now I can just pull my stems in that aren't mastered, and I'm good to go. You can do this with any other plugin. Like if you want to just bring an EQ over to another session, all you have to do is copy, open the other session, and paste it. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.